This is Jeff Hamrick again in the Department of Mathematics and Computer Science at Rhodes College. I'm going to talk for a few minutes about how you take a dichotomous by dichotomous set of data in Fathom, which we call a collection in Fathom, and create a 2x2 frequency table. It's actually pretty easy. Recall again that we're working with our set of data where we have a woman who's walked into a bar as part of a psychology study. She's either smiled and glanced at a male participant in the study, or she's just glanced at the male participant, and then over a particular period of time the researcher notes whether or not the male approaches the female or ignores her. So to create a 2x2 frequency table in Fathom, let's go on ahead. We already have our collection built in here. It's from a previous video tutorial, a video screencast. Drag over this summary table, this green icon up here in the upper icon bar in Fathom. It's asking us to drop attributes both into this vertical slot right here and this horizontal slot right here. I'm going to go on ahead and drop the independent variable, whether or not the woman smiled at the man, right here. Fathom orders the attributes alphabetically, so L comes before S, so that's why it came before this attribute. And then I'm going to drag approached or not over here to form the columns. And as you can see, we have a 2x2 frequency table at this point. We had 2 cases in which the woman only looked at the male, but the male approached her nonetheless. We had 8 cases in which the woman only glanced at the male and he ignored her subsequently. And we had 7 cases in which the woman smiled at the male and he actually ended up approaching her. And 3 cases in which the woman smiled at the man and he ignored her anyway. So this is a simple and easy way to create a 2x2 contingency table or a 2x2 frequency table. Those two phrases mean essentially the same thing in Fathom, given that you already have a collection of dichotomous by dichotomous data drawn into Fathom. Thanks very much.